taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious, your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder, always forgetting, needing reminders, but I'll always be there when you need me. 'Cause I know that two things can't be true. 'Cause I get it so confident yet confused. So I'll let go to live in between who I am and who I wanna be.
Puffer jacket mo. Be, thank you. Do you understand?
I'm a work of art and a work in progress.
Today is Friday and tomorrow is, it will be a long weekend starting tomorrow hanggang December 2, which is Tuesday. So 4 days. Long weekend for, officially in the UAE, but I don't know kung long weekend for me. But let's see. Ang plano is mag-camping with friends tomorrow night. Yeah. Sana naman may mangyaring masaya. Hindi lang stress. Let's go! So, sabi ng asawa ko, gumawa daw ako ng oatmeal ko for breakfast. So, gagawa tayo ng oatmeal for breakfast. Lalagyan ba ito ng sugar? Kasi, dati, kung bata kami, kung gumagawa ng oatmeal, Milo. Hindi ko maalala kung nagagatas. O tubig lang. Tubig tapos may sugar. Or Milo tapos yung bigla. Nakakatawa, guys. Niluluto pala to. Sabi niya, bakit daw ganito itsura? Tapos, luto ko daw sa water. Sure na talaga kay Ganito daw gumawa ng tamang oatmeal.
Why not cook, sister?
Put me in another dimension, got me falling in this connection. Who would have thought I could ever feel this? Fell for you so intensely.
Ano? Ba't di ka ba Ay, oras na ba? Ay, mamaya pa pala siya. Too early for the interview. Interview siya today kasi next time na natin pag-usapan kung bakit. May second round pa pala.
Sana.
Malakad kami papuntang metro.
Never been here that much.
Sana makita namin yung metro, pero feeling ko, pinapakiramdaman ko lang itong itong,
Ano ba yun?
ang tawag dito? Itong, ang tawag dyan? Viaduct.
You're so technical, sister.
Lalakad kami dito. Tapos, tingnan ko, ang ganda. hidden spots.
Saya ng bata, walang work oh.
Uy, hindi mo lang dalawang iPad yung dalawa ko. Para pag may pag may emergency event.
Ready.
Tayong kapal.
Ano? Charcoal. Bili kami na ano. May lighter tayo sa bahay.
You're here at El Cabayal buying goods for the camping later.
Formal ko.
Grabe naman yung nabubuhat ng Where are we going? Private tingin yung dala namin.
Hindi, nagka-card ba sila?
Mag-cooperate naman siya. Cooperate! Na yan yung daming dalaw. For 5 days.
For nights.
Crash down, you fumbled, and now I feel we've gone too far. Maybe it's not so bad. After all, I still feel you so in my heart. We fell too hard. The timing was wrong. Our hearts, we brought each other to the light, and it feels like the world is bright. And maybe it's not so bad.
Guys, so look at that. This is UAE. That's the sunset.
Naghahanap kami ng place. Here, the sunset. Maingay daw kaya dito.
Wow!
Maingay daw kaya dito.
Maingay kasi brum brum.
Sa bagay yun.
Put me in another dimension. Got me falling in this connection. Who would have thought I could ever feel this? Fell for you so intensely. You give me every reason to dream. You give me the kind of calm I need. All my friends tell me it's too good to believe. Are you deceiving me?
Ang lupik. Pakinggan niyo kung paano mag-decide ang mga arkitekto. Kung saan kami mapapadpad.
Tayong sunset, meron ka rin sunrise bukas.
Ignan din naman sa kabila eh. Dito kasi, ayun yung city view. Ayun no, may skyline ng Dubai. Pero kaya ka nga nag-camp para mapalayo ka sa city.
Wait lang. Kita natin yung puno.
Ayaw. Ako ayoko. Lulubog na po yung araw, wala pa po kaming resolution.
Like eyes and you got my attention. Started to fall in a connection.
Dami pang dumadating. Dahil naka-park. Pati dun sa dulo.
I give you every reason.
Yun.
You tell me I'm the energy you need. My friends tell me that it's you. I can't believe how you deceiving me. I fell too hard. I tumbled my heart. My walls crashed down. You fumbled, and now I feel we've gone too far. Maybe it's not so bad. After all, I still feel your soul in my heart. Got me feeling so deep.
O baba nga.
So deep, you got me feeling, falling into another reality, into another reality, into your
Bakit?
arms. You got me falling so deep, so deep, so deep. Hold my hand, take me to another reality. Maybe in this timeline we could finally be. Do you think this could be a dream come true? Finally I can hold all of you. You gave him every reason to believe. You tell me I'm the energy you need. My friends tell me that it's you. I can't believe. Are you deceiving me? I fell timing was wrong. Our hearts, we brought each other to the light, and it feels like our world is bright. But maybe it's not so bad. After all, I feel your love live in my heart. Got me feeling so deep, so deep, so deep. You got me feeling, falling into another reality.
Tapos na kami mag-camping. Uwian.
Ay, galing. Tinisan. Hindi ko muna galawin.
Ha?
So deep, locked eyes and you got my attention. I'm starting to fall in our connection. I didn't know there was love like this. Fell for you so intensely. I gave you every reason to believe. You tell me I'm the energy you need. My friends tell me that it's you. I can't believe how you deceiving me. I fell too hard. I tumbled my heart. My walls crashed down. You fumbled and now I feel we've gone too far. Maybe.
Naray, binagano, nagkausok yung bibig mo. Bi, iba talaga effect pagsuot mo yung puffer jacket mo.
Ito na ba yung example ng Opalite?
Bi, ang gwapo mo dyan.
Yun, no?
Ito lang, oh, yan lang. Yan lang frame na yan. Tingnan mo. Yan lang frame na yan, oh. Parang lang sa Canada.
O, tara na.
Kailan ba ulit magkakamping na sa site eh? Bubukit na lang ako.
Feeling, falling into another reality, into another anatomy, right into your arms. You got me falling so.
Hi, buhayin na naman kami. Namatay ng ilang oras. Kami ay pupunta ng MOE. At naka-puffer jacket pa siya.
Isang lamig eh. Where go?
Hanap ng pera.
Wala dito. Sa ano,
Mawawalan ng pera pala.
vlog takeover. Oh, nasa ano na kami, Philippine Marina. Saan tayo? Naku, parang alam ko na mangyayari dito.
Sa kanyan lang.
Very sweet.
Be, thank you! Video daw ako dito. Para Gen Z.
Not the goods. Pero masama rin sa okay.
If you want.
Doon ka ba pupunta sa SB, sis?
Oh, yung hilera na.
Thank you.
Doon sa pinupuntahan natin?
Hindi, last exit daw. We're here at last exit. Saan tayo kain?
Alam mo yung edit ako.
Maybe in another dimension. Got me falling in this.
Kakain daw kami.
Who would've thought I could ever feel
Kasi yung childless
for you so intensely? You give me every reason to dream. You give me the kind of calm I need. All my friends tell me it's too good to believe. Are you deceiving me? I fell too hard. I tumbled my heart. My walls crashed down. You fumbled and now I feel we've gone too far. But maybe it's not so bad.
Coffee time. Cute. Walang car. Ganito pala ang order sa drive-thru nang walang sasakyan.
Kala niyo, joke.
Two Spanish latte hot 12 ounce.
How many of madam?
2.
2 hot Spanish latte. Okay.
And then
About the size, we'll go with medium. 12 ounce.
Yes.
All right. Thank you. Two
Ayun
of them
daw.
Spanish latte. Okay. With almond, soya, coconut. What kind of
type
milk do you like to have?
ng beans.
Milk daw, milk. Normal lang. Full.
Hindi ko na-guess. Hindi ko narinig.
Whole milk.
Whole milk, okay?
Whole milk.
Kasi gusto ko lang pakita kung paano mag-drive-thru ng walang car.
About the side na lang po the ice max latte.
Kanya para mag-drive-thru ng walang car. Para siyang Petron and Lex. Pero puro mga food trucks yung order. Yung mga stores, ha? Pareho, 12 ounce. Meow! Meow! Do you understand, Tagalog? Cat? Ang tawag sa ganun?
Cat ko.
Cat ko.
May wifi dito.
Sobrang tipid naman na natin today. Charing.
Sarap. Last exit, Jebel.
Kain kami breakfast. Today is Monday, December 1. Happy December!
Hi.
I'm hungry now.
Look at that. Malasadong egg, fried rice. Wait.
Bango amoy amoy arroz caldo.
Kain.
Ito silog for me. Daing silog for him. We are trying the limited edition National Sunday. Ay, ano ba yan?
Ay, sorry.
Sa McDo.
Not as good as sa picture.
Kaya mag-focus. Well, let's try. Ano bang flavor niyan? Mamaya matcha yan. Ayoko niyan.
May pistachio.
Sarap naman. Matamis. Strawberry tapos pistachio. Tapos ano yan sa ilalim? Oreo.
Ayoko nga.
Oreo ata.
Maluhin ko.
Matamis. Matamis nga lang. Pero masarap.
I can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, 'cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious. Your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder, always forgetting